Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a pear and berry crumble. Crumbles are something that I love at this time of year. When it's cold outside, they're really comforting and nice. They're also a great way to use up any of that frozen fruit that you brought in the summer for smoothies and never used. I'm definitely a summer smoothie victim. But I have about a kilo of pears here that we're going to peel, core and chop up. And first of all I'm going to juice a lemon. This will stop the pears going brown as we prepare the rest of them, and also add some great flavour to your crumble as well. Great. And then I'm going to put you on fast forward as I make my way through these pears. I'm literally just going to peel them, core them, cut them up, and then put them in this bowl, mix them with the lemon, keep them from going brown, and then I'll be back. So I've got my pears all chopped up, all mixed nicely in the lemon juice. I've got the oven on at 180 degrees centigrade, it's a fan oven. Now I'm going to add into this bowl my mixed berries, which are red currants, black currants, raspberries and blackberries. These were frozen fruit, I've just let them defrost overnight in the fridge. It's about 400 grams. Gonna add those in, and any juice that's come out of them as well. Then I've got a teaspoon of mixed spice. Just gonna add that in. And 100 grams of golden caster sugar. And we're just going to mix that all together. Being careful, this bowl isn't very big. So that's our filling ready. Now we need to make our topping. So, empty bowl. This is 75 grams ground almonds and 125 grams plain flour. I've got 125 grams golden caster sugar. And finally 100 grams of butter. So what we're going to need to do is get our hands messy and get in here, and we just want to combine it all. And it's going to kind of look bit like when you're making pastry and you end up with little, I don't know, pea-sized chunks, almost like sand or dust, or you'll see. Just keep rubbing the butter and all the ingredients between your fingers, and eventually it'll all combine into our lovely crumble topping. Okay, can you see how that is all crumbly, like sandy almost? So we've got everything mixed together. We don't want to over mix it, we don't want it to form big clumps like this, so if you see any, just gently break them up. Okay, wash my hands off and I'll be back. Okay, so we are ready to start assembling our crumble. We're just going to take our fruit straight into an oven-proof glass dish. This is just my preferred one for cooking crumbles for me in. It's good for 4 days for me, 4 portions. And then any leftovers, which I'm hoping there will be, I'm going to make crumbles for the freezer. So we're just going to go ahead, pour our fruit in. You want it to be quite full because the fruit is going to break down as it cooks. There we go, that looks good to me. And then I think I've got enough for one freezer crumble as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest into here. Put all those juices into here. There we go. This is just a foil takeaway style dish that I'm just going to put the crumble topping on, put a cover on, and then it's going in the freezer until I want crumble, and that's a good 2 portions for me in there. And then with our crumble topping, literally just gonna liberally cover. And this is gonna go all crispy and golden, lovely when it's cooked. Bits that are left over onto there. Oh, yum. Mouth is watering already. So now we are going to pop that into the oven and bake it for 35 to 45 minutes until the top is taking on a nice golden brown. And I will see you back when it's cooked. Our crumble is done. It looks so delicious. You can see all of the juices have spilled out over the top. I got a bit of footage of the bubbling along this side, so I'll try and put that in here for you as well. I'm gonna let this cool down for about 10-15 minutes, just so it's not like the temperature of lava, and then I'll dish some up and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've got my festive bowl all ready. I'm just going to go ahead and dish some crumble up. Oh, yum. Yum, 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 yum. All of our lovely fruit. A nice bit of crumbly top. It's still steaming hot. I don't know if you can see the steam on camera. And then I'm a little bit weird that I like room temperature custard, but go ahead, have it cold, hot, however you want. Just gonna pop some custard along the side. Yum. And enjoy. Thanks everyone for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.